They wouldn't have just one exit.
If the enemy blew it up, everyone would be trapped.
What is that sound?
God bless Tyler. God bless Paulina.
It's me. I'm praying.
Thought you said you weren't superstitious.
Praying can't hurt, yeah?
Well, it's annoying, so knock it off!
I'm sorry, boss.
Dave's right. There has to be another way out. We should check in here again. Maybe there's a back door.
This has to be a different room.
But it looks identical. Just like...
This is definitely the same room. Same bed, same spot.
It's not possible.
Yes. Not possible.
Maybe those native people are messing with us. They could have cleaned it all up while we were knocked out.
There couldn't have been more than 5 minutes between the quake and the lights coming back on. There's no way.
Are you sure?
Clean up like this, it would take days. It just doesn't add up.
Maybe we're on a different level.
What do you mean?
Like same floor plan, different level. We might be one floor down.
But why go to all that trouble?
Jesus, who cares? There's not another exit in this room, so let's go.
He's got a point.
I'm going this way.
No, we should stick together.
Yeah, I'm done following your lead. Pepe?
Alan!
We'll cover more ground this way.
Pepe! Must be a way out here somewhere.
I don't think there's any way out.
Are you quitting on me?
Should've come here. The autonomous are angry.
Autonomous? I thought you were modern people, Pepe?
Modern people don't know everything, yeah? You show me that, boss.
What did you say? You listen to me, Pepe.